Hello and welcome again everyone. This is Ahmed Elyamany, Engagement Cloud Evangelist in Sitecore. In this episode, we will be talking about recent introduced capability of Sitecore Marketing Automation and Send, Audience Discovery. This story starts with marketers and merchandisers, who are always on the search for effective tools and ways to drive conversions in the digital commerce and sales funnels. These marketers are facing a challenge: how to drive conversions while retaining a high level of customer delight. An effective practice to tackle this is to surface target-specific audience based on affinity to specific brands, categories, and their propensity to convert in sales life cycles. However, in order to build and target effective customer segment, marketers and merchandisers often need to iteratively work with separate IT and system administrators to pull information and apply custom methods to determine conversion properties, products, and brands' affinity. These collaboration cycles could take days or weeks. This also requires extensive analytics tools to generate contact lists and ultimately target them with campaigns. Additionally, lack of integration between analytics and campaign tools leads to time-consuming lists uploads and constant manual maintenance to keep the campaign tools updated. So here comes a solution from Sitecore Send Audience Discovery. Sitecore Send utilizes Sitecore advanced search applications and machine learning methods to introduce an innovative way for enabling discovery of segments according to interests in brands, products, or users' intent to purchase. So how audience discovery works? It starts by machine learning enabled tagging. Utilizing Sitecore Send tracker installed to a website, events can be pushed to Sitecore Send system including page views, product views, add to cart, and purchases. Sitecore Audience Discovery then applies multiple machine learning models to identify tags matching users' preferences such as these users' interest in product category or a brand, their intent to purchase, and their stage in a purchasing funnel. Finally, the system assigned created tags to members at mailing lists. Audience Discovery introduced a new type of automated tags to Sitecore Send. Sitecore Send tags enables marketers to specify and categorize contacts for further filtering operations. When you filter these lists using tags, search tags are highlighted beside each contact for easier identification. And as each organization might have different contacts lists, Sitecore Send allows dedicating a tagged list where AI tagging information are submitted. AI-based audience discovery tags are separated into three categories. Funnel and engagement stage tags, which represents in which engagement stage or sales funnel the customer is in at the moment. Interest in specific brand or product category, which is based on defined product categories per each website. And user's purchase intent in a specific category or a specific brand, which is like interest, has a scale of low, medium, and high. These AI audience discovery tags can be enabled or disabled using setting configurations to turn on or off auto-tagging. Two Sitecore artificial intelligence modules are used to discover these patterns. For interest discovery, the system uses clustering models to split audience into different segments and extract information of product categories or brand. Then it produces relevant tags. For intent to purchase discovery, the system applies a regression model based on customers' data to generate purchase probability for brands and for categories. Then the tool assigns the generated tags to be added to each site visitors. For example, to figure out that there are specific users has a high probability to buy a specific product or a product category. These tags can then be used by marketers so they can create different sorts of segments, which carries major benefits for business. So after tags are assigned to each member based on their online interests and intent behavior patterns, these tags are turned into segmentation criteria. So marketers can design segments based on combinations of users' interest, intent, and willingness to purchase a certain product or from a specific brand. So these segments can then be addressed through email campaigns or other actions. So as you see here, besides Sitecore Send usual segmentation criteria, which included statistics from campaigns and other tracked behavior, if the audience discovery functionality is enabled, down here we can find the audience discovery AI tags. For example, we can choose interest in brand, And then we can choose a specific brand. In the same way, we can choose other AI segmentation criteria, such as purchase intent for all products. And we can choose high scale, for example. Or we can choose a purchase intent in a specific category, and then choose a specific scale and define a certain product category. Or finally, we can choose funnel stage, which determines the level of engagement of the user, if they are active customer, loyal customer, or a very loyal customer, which is decided based on the number of purchases done by that user. You can either design these segments from scratch or use one of the offered multiple templates to have a quick start creating your own dynamic segments. Templates are based on frequent and high business value criteria. Marketers can also save their frequently used criteria as custom templates. Audience discovery increases enterprises' marketing speed and agility, and supporting better reactions to the market conditions. Here is a list of summarized benefits of the tool. Through a sleek UI and user experience supported with artificial intelligence-based automatic discovery, enterprises will acquire benefits such as automated segments for common commerce population use cases, such as category, profit, and brand-based segmentation. Integration of segmentation capabilities within the Send campaign execution application. This helps in keeping campaigns updated in real time. For marketeers' strategic objectives and daily deliverables, this means an efficiency in identifying opportunities to market specific products, categories, or brands, automatically triggered campaigns to specific target audience, and monitoring of effectiveness through measurements of clicks and conversions. While for technologists, this means higher efficiency and streamlining data management between disparate systems to support marketing department, and governance of pooled data or contact lists that support these campaigns. In summary, audience discovery can be adopted to cover a wide range of segments, automatic identifications, and targeting. It can have a major positive impact when you are facing one of these requirements. For example, when you want to present customers with target relevant communications. When you want to decrease time in acting and running campaigns on commerce by avoiding overdependence on IT. If you don't need to employ advanced stack of in-house analytics, but you must deliver this quality of output. And when you need to acquire the ability to understand the opportunities to target the right online channels audience. All of this will support business requirements and cases such as increasing conversions, upsell, cross-sell, or when you have a market penetration requirement for a specific product or brand, or you want to target buyers with new product launches or swap to alternative brands within a category. Finally, this is audience discovery, a tool to support building effective and value campaigns to generate profit through artificial intelligence and machine learning. Without relying on specific commerce platforms nor advanced analytics and customer targeting tools, you can now simply approach broader markets of customers, utilizing analytics and campaign executions in one place with rich list of functionalities. Thank you and see you next time.